Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're cutting through projects with a guide to the best cordless circular saws. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, carpenter, or professional contractor, these cordless saws offer the freedom of mobility, powerful cutting performance, and precision for any job site. We'll be showcasing top models that provide long battery life, ergonomic design, and adjustable cutting depth for versatility. Ready to find the perfect cordless circular saw for your toolkit? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. Yofidra Brushless Electric Circular Saw. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and powerful circular saw that can tackle a variety of materials, look no further than the Yofidra 5-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw. Designed specifically for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, this tool packs a punch with its impressive 18V brushless motor, delivering a robust 10,800 RPM for efficient cutting. One of the standout features of the Yofidra circular saw is its versatility. Whether you're slicing through solid wood, PVC, MDF, or even ceramic tiles, this saw handles it all with ease. Its 125mm diameter blade and 24 teeth make quick work of any project, allowing you to achieve smooth, precise cuts every time. Plus, the adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees means you can customize your cuts to suit a range of applications, perfect for intricate woodworking designs or straightforward home repairs. Comfort and safety are at the forefront of Yofidra's design. The solid metal guide plate ensures consistent cutting depth, while the soft rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. For added peace of mind, the saw features a semicircular protective cover that keeps dust and debris at bay. Number 4. Nanwei 12V Electric Circular Saw. For those who love tackling DIY projects at home, the Nanwei 12V Electric Circular Saw is a game changer. This compact yet powerful mini saw boasts a cutting diameter of 3 3/8 inches, 85 millimeters, making it perfect for precision tasks without sacrificing portability. Weighing in at a mere fraction of traditional saws, it's your new go-to tool for effortless cutting. Designed for the modern DIY enthusiast, this electric circular saw is powered by a robust 12V lithium battery, offering the freedom to cut without the hassle of cords. The rated voltage ensures you have enough power to handle wood, plastic, and even softer materials like cloudstone with ease. Its maximum cutting depth of 26.5 millimeters at 90 degrees allows for versatility in your projects, enabling you to take on everything from furniture assembly to intricate craftwork. The Nanwei saw features a user-friendly Type-C plug charging system, making it easy to recharge and get back to work in no time. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this tool is tailored for comfort and efficiency. Number 3. Bosch GKS 185 Li Cordless Circular Saw. For those who demand precision and power in their woodworking projects, the Bosch GKS 185 Li Cordless Circular Saw is a standout choice. Designed for professional use, this 18V portable saw combines robust performance with the convenience of cordless operation, making it an essential tool for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts alike. One of the most impressive features of the GKS 185 Li is its no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, providing swift and clean cuts through a variety of materials. With a saw blade diameter of 165 millimeters, Number 2. WORX WU535 WU535 X Brushless Motor Circular Saw. For woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool, the WORX WU535/WU535X Brushless Motor Circular Saw is an exceptional choice. This 140mm cordless circular saw delivers precision cutting at both 45 degrees and 90 degrees, making it a must-have for a variety of projects, from framing to fine furniture crafting. Powered by a robust 20V battery, the WORX WU535 boasts impressive cutting capabilities, allowing you to tackle different materials with ease. With its brushless motor, this saw not only enhances efficiency but also extends the tool's lifespan, ensuring that you can rely on it for years to come. Number 1. DeWalt DCS 391 Cordless Circular Saw. When it comes to cutting tools, the DeWalt DCS 391 Cordless Circular Saw stands out as a powerhouse that combines performance, versatility, and user comfort. This impressive 1/2-inch, 165mm saw is designed for serious woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering the perfect balance of power and control. At the heart of the DCS 391 is a robust motor that delivers an impressive 5,150 RPM, allowing for fast and efficient cuts through a variety of materials. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.